These are the elevators at the La Quinta Inn and Suites in not downtown Sarasota, Florida, but the other location. I mean, this is in eastern Sarasota. Well, every number except 2 was burned out on the indicator. So you've got a seating area out here. We're gonna go to 1. Well, that's a loud chime. Here's your certificate. Here's your cab view. Hello. One is just barely lit, like it's even dimmer in person. Two's burned out. That says 2019, by the way. Alright, we're just gonna take a little look around. You've got multiple corridors here. How many is this? This is a bunch. There's this one long one. Then there's this one right here. Well, actually, this is kind of just a circle. Not sure why they put this in here. I think it's just to surround this area right here. But I don't know what's in here. But really, this is like one end of the hotel. Most of the hotel is just like in a linear progression, like down that way. So you've got a nice seating area if you're waiting for the elevators. We're gonna stop at 2 because I figure I might as well just check out a intermediate call station. Actually, that's right above the lobby. Now we're gonna go to 1. Watch the button go out. So, with that being said, that'll be it.